Hey there, it's Pam from Our Adventures Everywhere, and it's Monday, so I'm here to share some ideas for you for things, fun days to celebrate this week, things to do. Back in my office, so no exciting road trips this morning to get coffee or whatever. But anyway, I do have a couple fun things for you to do this week, and they're I think they're really timely. So I think they're good things to do. They'll keep you inside, but yet still having fun. So tomorrow is brownie day. So obviously make some brownies. And we always used to make this thing when we were younger called brownie blowouts, where we'd make a batch of brownies, kind of gooey ones. You don't want them to real hard. And then we'd put chocolate or vanilla ice cream on them and chocolate syrup. And we called them brownie blowouts. And it was like our go-to dessert when we were a lot younger. So that might be something fun to do, make some brownie blowouts. If you do want to go out, you could run out in the afternoon and grab a brownie and a coffee at one of your local coffee shops. That might be a fun little outing to get out of the house. The other day this week is Gingerbread Day, and that is on Saturday. And so some ideas there might be to make gingerbread houses. I saw a really cute idea for making them, I think it was on Pinterest, with Pop-Tarts instead of gingerbread because they hold, they stick together a little better. Or you could go to, your local craft store, Target or Walmart or someplace and purchase a gingerbread house kit. And that would be a really fun activity to do this Saturday, like in the afternoon or something. Or you could also, if you're not up to making gingerbread houses, you could also just make some gingerbread cookies and decorate them. And I think that's what we might do. It's been a long time since I've made gingerbread cookies and I really like them. So I don't know why I haven't made them in a while, but that would be a fun thing to do. We could make a batch of those and maybe a batch of sugar cookies and then just do some decorating Saturday. So I hope you enjoy those two delicious, yummy days this week. They're both very sweet, but they're pretty far apart, so that's not so bad. So anyway, have a wonderful week and we'll chat again on Monday. Thanks.